Chapter 10. Verse 18. Where does all this energy come from? We have mentioned a few times already the destination that energy conversions can lead to, which is beautiful, refined, elevated appreciation and celebration energy that comes via creation and manifestation and feeds the body of God. Let's look briefly at where it all starts. Plants use sunlight as starter energy to fuel a chemical reaction. The leaves of the plant take in air and separate it into carbon and oxygen. It doesn't want the oxygen, so it releases it back into the atmosphere. It brings up water from its roots and hydrates the carbon, creating a carbohydrate/sugar, the source of life energy on Earth. The plants desire to keep making sugar while the sun shines, so they do, mostly leaving the next step of turning that sugar into ATP, the energy they can use until after dark. It stores this sugar throughout its body temporarily. When there is enough there, it puts it into longer-term storage in the roots. This is what you call photosynthesis. The second stage is called respiration. The first step in respiration is assessment. The plant assesses what it needs to survive and thrive. It might be injured and needs to repair. It might desire to grow taller to reach more sunlight. It may desire to reach more water, so it extends its roots. It assesses the climatic conditions and best uses for the energy it has available. It keeps track of the seasons and gets energy ready to produce fruit or vegetables, seeds, and nuts. After it assesses itself, it assesses the forest that it is in. All plants are connected together through a network of fungi. This is called the mycorrhiza system. If you were taught that trees are competitive, you were lied to. And of all the lies humans tell each other, this one is singularly despicable. Trees are cooperative. Big trees give energy to small trees to help them grow until they can reach enough sunlight themselves. Trees help close relatives more than others, and they help local forests. Big old trees ensure the health of small ones. They encourage diversity. But don't take my word for it. Check out the wonderful work of Professor Suzanne Samar. You'll find her online, so you can verify this with your own world type of scientific exploration. The requirements identified during this self-assessment create desires, and they draw the sugar to the place that needs attention. It is then converted into usable ATP energy to fulfill the desire's manifestation. The plants also hand the sugar over to animals so it can be processed further. Plants make everything that humans need to live, so they eat them. They digest the sugar, and this converts it into glucose. This is the human equivalent of photosynthesis energy procurement. When early humans hunted and gathered, they also had emotional experiences. They were communicating with others, enjoying the hunt, and the different scenery. They gathered physical energy/food and emotional experience at the same time.